Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Wolf watch holder. So this is from a company called Wolf, established 1834. It's a British racing single watch roll in green. So we're traveling with my watch. Gonna take a new watch I got to Vegas for some poker. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This was a recommended watch holder from my AD at Rolex. Let's see. Here's the paperwork. Here's the warranty, 2-year limited warranty, it says. All right, on to the good stuff. All right, so nothing else. This is the watch roll. Wow. Interesting that there's this tag actually on the product. I'll take that off. Ooh, nice clip. What's this? Silica. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's super nice. You put your watch around this guy. It's a nice little barrel roll. Cool. Nice little watch roll, single watch roll. Yeah, cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.